It's good to have you back.
What's going on, guys? So I have some carbon fiber and my lovely girlfriend gave it to me for Christmas, and I gave her a bunch of lists of things that she could have bought, and this is what she got. Now this is a carbon fiber, I don't know what you would call it. It's like a cover similar to the fuel door, the mirror caps, stuff like that. And it is the trim that goes above your glove box. So I guess you'd call this like a, glove box garnish trim, something like that. So that's it. Hopefully the reflection doesn't kill it, but there's a bug in here. It is real carbon. Might be a little hard to see, and it's like a 3M tape on the back. Well, that's for the passenger side, and this is for the driver's side. And in my honest opinion, I know the 15 to 17 STIs and WRXs came with the fake carbon fiber, but this should have been in the cars from the beginning, even if they started offering it in like 2018, because it's like basically the same car and they really didn't change much. The amount of money you're paying, this should have been included. Just a little, little carbon right there, because they know, like, if I was told, so if Subaru was like, hey, for an extra, $500, you can get real carbon. Yeah, I would have paid that. So why not offer it and then let people buy it, so. But there is other alternatives. So I'm going to show you how it looks. Hopefully the sun glare doesn't mess it up too much, but it is a very nice quality piece. You can see it says WRX. It goes on just like so. I think we could put it on just like so, and there's not really any problems. It is a little loose, as you can see, but in all honesty, yeah, I'm not too worried about that. I think that looks good, to be honest. If I really wanted to get like really serious with it, I could shave the top of it a little bit just to kind of push it up a bit, but I don't really think we need to. Yeah, I think we could just stick that on and I'll be happy. However, there's issues with this side. Ooh, don't break it. So if you put it on, it looks good. However, this side, if you make this side flush, this side pops up. And then if you make this side flush and down, this side pops up. It's not a perfect fitting piece, which I guess that's okay. It's kind of annoying though, considering how expensive it is. But we're gonna have to shave it down a bit. So I'm gonna pop off that trim and basically show you, I guess, how I'm gonna tackle this. And it should be pretty simple. Just on the other side now, but basically I took this off yesterday and it's pretty simple to do. Kind of get a tool underneath there and just kind of pull it up just like so. And then there's a bunch of other plastic clips. And there you go. It's very simple. Now, this is the same thing you're going to do if you get, if you want to change out this trim from gloss to like the fake carbon, or fake carbon to the gloss. To be honest, I really like the gloss. I think it's really sleek looking, but it just leaves so many fingerprints and gets so dirty so fast. Like, just look. Like, you can't keep it clean. So, and plus, carbon's sick, so I can't complain. If we take the real carbon and line it up with the trim, okay, look at the amount of overhang. That's way too much overhang. So that's why it's not fitting right. So my idea is to kind of trace it out with a sharp knife so we know how much to shave down, and I'm going to sand it by hand, I think, very slowly. So this may take a while. You can see it's all the way to the edge. And I took a knife and I just lightly kind of made a mark where I got to sand. So I'm not just going to go right to the edge. I'm going to sand a bit, test fit it, sand again, test fit it, because you can always take away more, but you can never put it back. So it's going to take a while, but I'm sure we can make it work. We're going to take this piece that we marked up there, And I got some 400 grit, and my idea is to kind of just slowly shave it away. And I'm hoping this is not going to really like fray up the carbon. So I'm going to take my sweet time doing this just because I really don't want to buy another piece. So I'm going to go at this for a while and let's see what happens, I guess. All right, if you look, we got quite a bit sanded. There is still a little bit of a line there, so I'm not right to the edge, especially up here. I can go more if I need to, and down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and test fit this, see how it fits, and then go from there. Push this all the way in. It's not quite. It's pretty close, but not yet. So I'm gonna keep working at it a little bit. And then once I get it, I guess, good to go, I'll show you guys, but just a little bit more. Well, 10 minutes later, that's what we're looking like. I did also shave a little bit, I think up there, like around, where was it? Like around right here. It's just, it was a little off. It's still a little off, but it's not too bad. Fits like a glove now. So I'm gonna go ahead, clean the surface with just some soapy water. That's what I always do with my carbon. And just glue this on. We'll use the 3M tape to hold it on, I guess. Just some soapy water. Clean all the dust. It kind of works. I have you guys actually like held by my my seat right now. The headrest is holding down the phone, so I think it's a pretty good angle. There's no way I was gonna do this with one hand, not a chance. But this is all clean now. Just gonna peel off the tape and then apply it. This is always a pain. I think this is nice. This is really nice. I think it's a nice piece to the car. I think it's pretty awesome. Now I'm going to throw on the other side. I might do a little bit of sanding. I'm going to double check it and then I'll just throw it on and show you guys when it's on. Well, there you go. That's the passenger. And that's the driver. I did sand a little bit up here just because I felt like it wasn't 100% like straight. But other than that, this one fit a lot better than that. But I'm very happy with the outcome. And because this is real carbon fiber, it looks crazy in person. Now, you could get the fake one and I guess it works to the untrained eye, but if you see this one and compared to the other, it's night and day. Like you could actually see like the weave and whatnot. I think this is an awesome upgrade to the interior. You get it on both the passenger and driver's side, and I honestly couldn't be any happier. It was a pretty good Christmas gift for my girlfriend, I have to say. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If there's any questions, as always, ask away. I know this fits 15 plus WRX and STi. I also believe it fits Foresters, because I believe the newer Foresters, I don't know about the newest one, but I know the newer ones kind of have a similar interior. So I believe they fit. I don't think the Crosstrek has the same interior. Basically, if your vehicle kind of has this kind of looking interior, it should fit. But like I was saying, if you have any comments, feel free to ask away. I try my best to answer. Like it if you liked it and want to see more, and subscribe. I'm hoping to keep this up for a while. I don't really have plans on stopping. It's fun for me to do. It's a cool way for me to kind of keep track of what I've done to the car so far and kind of like catalog it. And as always, take it easy.